show you a few tricks on how to use the text function to really display the date, rather the month of a date, into text. Or you can also do the same for the day, and I'm gonna show you how to go about doing both of the date and month aspects of the date. So first thing I'm gonna do is just clean up this worksheet, and I'm gonna start first by getting rid of the grid lines and then making sure that this is a header column. I'm gonna make the text bold, and then gonna apply border lines there, and then I'm just gonna add another row on top by pressing Control plus, or if you're using a Mac, it's Control Shift plus or equal sign, and it's gonna add another row there. But then I need to add two extra columns for the month and the day. So I'm gonna do the same. Click on there, highlight the whole column, Control Shift, because I'm using a Mac, and then equal sign to add twice to add two more columns. I'm just gonna make sure all this is aligned the same, and there's enough space to see the two columns. But you can see, yeah. But then I'm just gonna add an extra column there to add some space, and then this is gonna be my month column, and then that's my day column. So now we're gonna use the month function to call a number from this date value or number. That's gonna give us a month number, and then convert a number to a text. So if you use the month function, which is C3, you see that it's giving us 1 as a number, which represents January, but want this to be represented or formatted as January. So I'm going to use the text function and multiply by 29 as a magic number. I don't know what that number does, but it works the trick. And then the formatting, if I wanted January to just show just Jan as a Jan, I'm going to use 3 M's. And if I want the full name as January, I'm going to use 4. But in this case, I'm just going to demonstrate how this supposed to come out. It's supposed to show that, of which, no, sorry, instead of using ampersand, I'm supposed to use the asterisk. And then yeah, it's supposed to show that. But then I can choose to add another n so that it shows the full name. And then I can fill this down by hovering over until I see a plus sign at the corner there, and then just double clicking to fill down everything. I'm gonna repeat the same for the day. If I say day and say top and get the day value, say this is the 1st of January, and if I do that and up to there to be changing, and it just show different day values, and then just gonna wrap that around the text function, and then I'll wrap it inside the text function, and I'm gonna use the same. But notice the formatting, we're not going to use M this time around because it's day. We're gonna use D for day, and then if we want it to just be like 3 letters abbreviated, we're gonna use 3 D's. But if we want it to be full, we're gonna use 4 D's in this case, and then enter like that, and it's gonna give us, and because we did run the up to there, it's gonna just end there, but we need to go to just run it up to the far end there. And there we go. We have 2 columns, month and date, and both displayed as letters or text, or words rather, instead of numbers as their respective functions may display. By using the text function and using the number 29, we can convert those numbers into text or string. And that's it. Until next time, thank you very much, and stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.